to show you the new branch circuits assembly today. This one's it's really good. So I'm going to start again in case you already know I've used this. You just click the button, branch circuits, and always just click new, create a new branch circuit spelled out right there in front of you. So now you've opened up a much larger screen than you used to have. And it's going to have all these circuitry that you normally use in job or your branch. Sort of, it'll be pre-laid out. So at this point, you don't have to do anything at all with this page. But this gives you half inch with 3 number 12s, half inch with 4, half inch with 5, 3/4 for 6, 3/4 for 7. Hold outro is just already met out. So just wanted to show you this page of your choices. Who are going to come back to the functionality of this page later, but it has complete different functionality with everything about it can be changed. But I just wanted to remind you of this list and then the order of this list. So we're going to move over to the takeoff. So we're going to open up this power page. So you can go to measure. Then you can open the library and you can bring in all these are the exact choices that were on the branch circuits. You may not need all these, but if you did, you can just select them and they're there. You don't have to type them in any longer. So now when you're wanting to measure half each with 3 number 12s or 4, you just make a measurement. And they're going to be in the exact same order as the branch circuits. So I'm going to give you an oversimplified version of how to use this branch circuit template that we brought in. This is going to match up with the branch circuit assembly, and they're already created. So what you also notice that they have a much larger view plane now. Since we've shrunk the top navigation bar, used to come right down here. So you have a lot more of dealing with. So let's just select half inch with 3 number 12s, and we would run around this room. And so we've caught 2, 3, okay, 5 outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets. And in the panel would be 6. So if we wanted to add our up and down measurements for those 6 runs, you just with his add link and you see it activated, click the mouse 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right click it and then turn that feature off. Now you've included going down the wall through those. Now there's an optional way to do that, like there is with everything in the best bid, but that is a way if you wanted to account for your up and down measurements on this screen. Later in another video, I'll show you how you don't have to bother doing that. So let's just move right over here and take a different view. So we have a circuit 30/30 and a 35. So now we can take 5 number 12s and run from the A panel and then we'll switch back to 3 number 12s just to get to that part of the circuit. So I hope that makes sense. So we're going to run 2 circuits all the way to here and then drop 1 and then we have that 1. So that's going to be very accurate. And if you wanted to account for the drops, we'd go through the wall here, but we would say 1, 2, 3. So we would open up our up and down measurement and just click 3 times and then right click and be done and take that off. So that's a simplified way to enter your leaps into this screen.